ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರವಾಸೋದ್ಯಮ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ 34ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಆಹಾರ ಮೇಳ ಹಾಗೂ ಫುಡ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ 2025 ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರದ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅಪರಾಧ ಪತ್ತೆ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಉಪ ಆಯುಕ್ತೆ ಗೀತಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಇತರ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಸೇರಿ ದೀಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲಿಸಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಆಹಾರ ಮೇಳ ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಆಗದೆ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಸೇವಿಸುವ ಆಹಾರ ಖಾದ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಗುವ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಆಗಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ವಂಚನೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಜಾಗರೂಕತರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಫೋನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಾಡದೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಎಂದವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾ ಸಿಎಎ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ರಾವ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವೇ ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆತನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕಳೆದ 34 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಅಗತ್ಯ. ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಶಿಖರ ಏರಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ ಆಹಾರ ಖಾದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಎ ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಆರ್ ರಾವ್, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎ ಮಿತ್ರ ಎಸ್ ರಾವ್, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾ ಕೆ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡಾ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾ ಅಜಯ್ ಕೆಜೆ, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಡೀನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Together, health is wealth, health comes from food, food is also a thought. This is how you have to combine. As he was mentioning, whenever he puts a menu for that, please mention what are the benefits for health in that menu. Is it required, right? What I'm eating I should know. If I put pizza in front of me, I'm not defaming anything, I'm not giving any no marketing, you should mention that what benefit you are getting out of that product. Am I right? Then only you will eat, right? So I would request the whomsoever they have mentioned the beautiful stalls outside, please mention if you eat this like a cucumber, there are so many vegetables, there are so many other food also which you are taking, that mention out of having this you will get so very different types of benefits for your health. So please, this food always goes together, mind and body, and also for your stomach. So please consider my request, and whenever you eat food, please have a patience, sympathy, empathy, timely, punctuality, discipline, everything we have to learn while eating also. So always we consider homemade food. Why? Because homely prepared food is for us it's a very healthy, because whoever prepares at home, either mom, son, daughter-in-laws or some daughter or anybody, grandma, somebody, we think that it is a homemade food because it is gives a pleasure. They used to prepare with a love and affection. Am I right? They used to prepare with the same thing. If you consider in your stall also preparing.
All because we call, as I think our guest does not know, we call our all students and faculty members as Srinivas family members. Yes, we had a good talk from our chief guest today about food. Food, I think, everyone takes to his satisfaction only. He does not think whether it goes to the brain or somewhere else. But it is a good thing. Our Shastras also say that there are three varieties of Rajasa food, Tamasa food, and Rajasa, Tamasa, and Satvika food is there. And those who take Satvika food and Rajasa food, okay, Satvika is very good, they become Manis only. I think their brain will improve like anything. But who takes Rajasa food, they will be little ferocious and will be capable of fighting and resisting the, rather act very active in defense activities. And third, Tejas, Tajasa, the Ramasa, that is demonic. You will be very wide only throughout the thing, and that is totally to be rejected. But a mix of all the things is always taken by the man without considering anything, because he wants to eat what satisfies him. It is said that a man eats for his satisfaction and puts down dress for others' satisfaction. It is always like that. If you think very closely, it is like that. But of course, health is wealth. What she said is, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, everything is lost. So it is very well said that it is true that wealth, health is wealth for a man who is earning, who is living in the society. And who goes out of this thing, of course there is nothing, everything is okay for him. But health, first wealth is nothing compared to health. And character is more important. Character supported by health will make you divine only. See, this is what is required, and I am sure that the hotel management students and tourism students will give a lead, because I am always happy to come and attend any program in the hotel management, because this is the first college we have started with 7 students. I tell you, I am even proud, but today I am proud to say that I started only with 7 students. And in second year I thought that it will improve, but it was 11 students. Third year, still it was bad, 22 students. But people started laughing at me. Why he has started? He was a good chartered accountant, practicing well, enough money is there. Why should you do? But I said, no, I must try. Once I have entered this field, I should show whether I can be successful or not. So when I went to the 4th year, I got a principal who is from Delhi. He brought 45 students. Then I got some courage. I tell you, 5th year onwards, I did not look back on this. And then when we started, I think this encouraged me to start the physiotherapy college, management college. I started with 7 students in physiotherapy, but second year it jumped to 27. And same thing with the MBA. It started with 7 students